This will be a part 3 to my series where I try to help folks look out for certain things when it comes to buying cars with cash, especially on Facebook Marketplace. This is actually a video response to one of my subscribers asking me the question to make a follow-up video to some of my processes of buying a car with cash in today's market. Now, there's a couple things I want to start off with here, guys. As with anything, when it comes to Facebook Marketplace, you need contingencies. You need to look out for scams. You need to look out for schemes. You need to take someone with you. These are just the baseline things that should happen when you're looking to deal with cash and out of the sight of others, all right? So always try to meet in a public area. Let's start that off here. So today we're just gonna be looking at some Toyotas. Again, the reason I do this series is to help the average person like you and me find cash cars without getting into crazy car payments, car loans, and getting into debt. It's possible. If you don't know much about me, I've bought all my cars pretty much as you see in all my videos. They're all cash cars. Most of them came from Facebook Marketplace. All right, so we're taking a look here at this Camry. The area will depend on whatever you put in, right? I'm gonna try to, the area really doesn't matter. It does to a degree because of salt and things like that. But let's check out here. So this person's selling a 2009 Toyota Camry. One thing I like about this video and this person already is he's showing you everything about the car. There's visual proof and evidence of the car shape. This is huge when you're looking to buy a car in cash. Of course, you got to go check it out for yourself in person. The video may omit certain things, but the fact that he's showing the nooks and the crannies of the car is a good sign, all right? The car only has 164,000 miles on it. For a Camry, that's nothing. The car only costs $4,000. That's pretty darn good. His description says, drive smooth, no issue with clean title. You always want to look for a clean title. That's very, very important. All right. Yes, I like that this guy, again, I like that he has a video here. There's multiple pictures, all angles of the vehicle. This is what you want to look for when you're looking to buy a car in cash. 2 keys as well. All right, everything's looking like it checks out. No lights on the dash either. See, this is good. Now, one thing I do want to point out here is unfortunately there is no reviews for this person. So this person could be a dealer Camry that he's selling. So while this isn't a bad thing, he doesn't have reviews, which I'm not fond of. I always look for people who have reviews, okay? Reviews kind of give you an idea on if they're reliable or not. So with this listing, I would say message them, check it out, but don't get too in love with this type of listing. You want to see reviews. You want to see a real person selling it, and you always want to check the history. I don't know if this is a dealer or not. You got to be careful for those. So let's continue to look around. Let's try to find something a little bit newer that someone could buy in cash. Okay, here we go. Here's my 2012 right here. Here's a 2012 Toyota Camry. Looking good. Another video. Now this person more than likely probably is another seller because they're at the storage unit. This is typically a good place to, boy, that thing looked good, don't it? This is typically a place where people will do this sort of thing. It's been well maintained, great condition, taken care of. It definitely has been. And this person has reviews and he's highly rated on Facebook Marketplace. Now see, what's the price? Okay, this one feels real. Is this a clean title? Okay, this would be a go for me. I would buy this car. $8,000, little hefty. No, that sounds about right. The car only has 109,000 miles on it. It's a Camry. It looks pretty clean. It's only had a 1 owner history, which sounds pretty darn good to me. Yeah, man. See, no lights on the dash. Oh, bam, and he got a Carfax in there too. The only thing that would be left for a listing like this is to go meet the person, ask him a little bit more questions, try to see if he really knows about the vehicle or not. But if this is a family-owned vehicle, 1 owner, they're just trying to get rid of the car, this would be one that I would go for. This is exactly almost how I bought mine. The Carfax was beautiful, everything checked out. I always recommend PPIs, pre-purchase inspections, whenever you go look at any cars. If you know a personal mechanic, take them with you as well. This is off the chain. I scooped this up so quick. Guys, there are beautiful looking cars out here that you can pay in cash. You don't need the latest one, man. Like I always say in all my videos, humble yourself. So we found one already. We found a beautiful car. The only thing I say about the 2020 Camry is you got to be careful of the torque converter shutter. You want to make sure that that was already taken care of. Let's see. I'll try to pick something different than a Camry this time. Let's go with an older Highlander here. This is a 2009 Toyota Highlander right here. 111,000 miles. Not bad. Looks pretty good. I'd get it. Even though I'm not that big into cars like that, they added a little screen to it. Now this person has a 4-star. He's given the history of it. It looks to have a clean title as well. He wants $8,000 for it. In this case, I would message him, but I wouldn't fall too in love with it because there's a reason that he has 4 stars. So you want to be weary and do your homework about why does this seller has 4 stars compared to people who have 5 stars. You always got to watch out for that, man. Oh, here's a Camry XLE, a 2001. That thing looks beautiful. Let me see here. All right, let me see. Now this is definitely family owned. You can tell because it's taken, the picture's taken in front of a house and the basketball court. These are the type of gems that I really love to find. Anything taken in like a storage unit or a parking lot, it could reek of dealer. It could reek of a dealer, and it's not necessarily bad, but you just have to make sure they're not trying to make a quick buck off you. But when you see a family owned one, and the history sounds real, it looks real. You can see the proof that this is owned by somebody. And then another thing that I checked that's major is the description. 2001 Toyota Camry with 190,000 miles. Gets great gas mileage, runs and drives great. The pros are new battery, new alternator, valve cover gasket, spark plug, coil plugs, packs, tires, Bluetooth radio. Cons: exhaust leak, not terrible. Check engine light on for O2 sensor. I have the sensor, it may fix it. Blower motor makes a little sound. May look at trades, but cash is king. Now this person doesn't have any ratings, but this is the only time that I'll make an exception here. If they are a person who hasn't sold many things on Facebook Marketplace, and if they're looking to genuinely get rid of something, I've bought a car from some person who didn't have a rating before. It's possible, but this is where you need to do the extra homework, see the vehicle. For this particular one, while it does look great on the outside, I would need to see videos of it on the inside. I want to see the undercarriage because it's an older car. There are certain things that you have to hit before you walk out here and throw your cash at something. See, we love paying cash for cars around here, especially here on my channel, but there is a lot that I put into this, y'all. I don't just walk around spouting this because it's the cool thing to do on YouTube. There is a lot that goes into buying a car with cash, but if you make the right purchase, your life will be amazing because then it's on you to take care of that vehicle, and it's not that you're not financially stuck, right? You can make bad cash car purchases, but what would you rather gamble with? Being in a high interest car payment for 72 months of your life, or buying something with due diligence and research outright for $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000. Make it easy for yourself. We'll check out one car, guys, and then we'll go ahead and call it here. I'm gonna try to find something that's not a Camry. I keep only finding good Camrys out here. Again, and you guys, if you want suggestions, I can look up any car or vehicle for you that you're trying to find in your area. This is something I actually do on live stream with my community. So tell me your car, tell me what you're looking for, tell me your budget, and I'll help you find a good cash car potentially. We can look for this stuff together and see what we can do. Again, all advice is just me giving my opinion. It's not official advice by any means, but yeah, it's just something I like to do to help people find cash cars like I like to find. This is a Toyota Avalon. We're going to avoid that. Anything else in the last couple of days? Maybe that's all we have for today's video. Let me see here. Highlander. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. So guys, let me know the type of cars you're looking for and what you want, and that way I can structure some of your video responses a little bit better. But of course, do your research. Message them. Who cares if they get irritated? They're the ones trying to get your money. They're the ones trying to sell you something. You have to ask questions. You have to ask for the Carfax. You have to get videos. You have to check under the body, all right? And you got to get the ownership history. A car's ownership is more important than the miles, in my personal opinion. That's something that I have seen to be tried, tested, and true. The way it was taken care of is more important than the amount of miles it got. You can get a Camry. That Camry that was 190,000 for 2001 is nothing. I mean, it's something, but it's not the end of the world. how was it taken care of? If it was taken care of the way I took care of my 99 Camry, you better pick that up. That's some easy A to B cheap miles. Thank y'all for checking out the channel. If you want to see more of this, go ahead, support the channel with channel membership. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.